Definition of the word.
Square.
Adjective.
Shaped like a square, the polygon. Forming a right angle. Forming right angles with the mast or the keel, and parallel to the horizon. Set of the yards of a square-rigged vessel when they are so braced.
Example.
A square corner. Used in the names of units of area formed by multiplying a unit of length by itself.
Example.
Square meter, square mile. Honest, straightforward.
Example.
Square dealing. Fair.
Example.
I'm just looking for a square deal on my car repair. Even, tied.
Example.
To make or leave the account square, the sides were square at the end of the half. Socially conventional, boring. In line with the batsman's popping crease. Correctly aligned with respect to something else. Hearty, vigorous.
Example.
It may be prison, but at least I'm getting 3 square meals a day. Having a shape broad for the height, with angular rather than curving outlines.
Example.
A man of a square frame.
Noun.
A polygon with 4 sides of equal length and 4 right angles. An equilateral rectangle. A regular quadrilateral. Something characterized by a square, or nearly square, form. A cell in a grid. A square piece, part, or surface, such as a square of glass. The front of a woman's dress over the bosom, usually worked or embroidered. A dessert cut into rectangular pieces, or a piece of such a dessert. A certain number of lines, forming a portion of a column, nearly square. Used chiefly in reckoning the prices of advertisements in newspapers.
Example.
You may not move a piece to a square already occupied by one of your own pieces. An L or T-shaped tool used to place objects or draw lines at right angles. A true measure, standard, or pattern. An open space or park, often in the center of a town, not necessarily square in shape, often containing trees, seating and other features pleasing to the eye. A street surrounding a public square or plaza. The product of a number or quantity multiplied by itself. The second power of a number, value, term or expression.
Example.
64 is the square of 8. A body of troops drawn up in a square formation. A socially conventional or conservative person. A person who has little or no interest in the latest fads or trends. Still sometimes used in modern terminology.
Example.
Why do you always wear a tie? Don't be such a square. The symbol hash on a telephone. Hash.
Example.
Enter your account number followed by a square. The central area of a cricket field, with one or more pitches of which only one is used at a time.
Example.
An ideal playing area is roughly circular in shape with a central area, the cricket square, measuring 27.44 meters by 27.44 meters and boundaries 45.75 meters from the sides of the square. A unit of measurement of area, equal to a 10-foot by 10-foot square, i.e. 100 square feet or roughly 9.3 square meters. Used in real estate for the size of a house or its rooms, though progressively being replaced by square meters in metric countries such as Australia. A unit used in measuring roof area equivalent to 100 square feet, 9.29 square meters, of roof area. A mortarboard. A square meal.
Example.
Even when times were tough, we got 3 squares a day. Exact proportion. Justice of workmanship and conduct. Regularity, rule. The relation of harmony, or exact agreement, equality, level. The position of planets distant 90 degrees from each other, a quadrate. The act of squaring, or quarreling, a quarrel. Cigarette. A vat used for fermentation.
Square. Square.
Square. Square.
Square. Square.
Square. Square.